We always check the quality of every excavator carefully to make sure our clients get the best machines from China at the best price. We inspect every excavator because we know your investment is important. Our goal is to provide equipment that is reliable, high quality, and worth your money. Okay guys, we are here to check this one. So the client just confirmed. So the thing we're gonna do, we will try to start the engine to hear a little bit the engine is on. 可以了吗？
你看，这没有电了。
这没电是吧？这老司机啊，懂了。Okay, guys, so they will make a test now. So we do that before we push us, okay? So. Okay guys, as you can see right now, we are testing. This is a little test we are doing. We do all of this before we confirm, you know. This is very important. Everything we do. Alright. Alright, as you can see, it will go left, right, all direction. This is very important. Okay guys, you can see what we are doing now. This is a little test video. Always before we, you know, this is a video, this is a test video. We do that to confirm the order. So we are making sure the excavator is working without any problem. Everything is working before we ship it to Africa or any place in the world. You see that? This is what we do. So you like this, okay. 可以了，
没问题吧？
对，差不多。我有那个声音 Q， 这个声音是啥意思啊？
这个是停在这里，
下一个
不是停在这里，停时间长没移动，里面就是铁跟铁和铁中间
摩擦发出声。
它有点摩擦，怎么还没走啊？
我们加一点油的，把它好一点。
黄油。
我们加一个黄油，还是喜欢油的，反正还是要
走几圈就行了。
只要几圈就没问题是吧？
走几圈这就没问题了。
OK。哎，请问，然后我们就需要这个，那你看另外一个，这个电池可以换吗？
那是电池。
可以。
这两个电池可以换？
可以换。
可以换是吧？那就好，因为你刚才拉了很整齐啊，然后盖机了。
电不足。
OK， 那你换一下吧，一会儿换一下进去。
没问题。
那好。Water. Where?
What is that? Because when it starts to move.
里面有雪。啊，就下雨在里面是吧？
下雨下在这个中间。
中间的嘛 ，OK 行。这个是全部是原装吗？还是有？
那这个肯定是原装的。
这。
主要你要看发动机液压泵。
对，是在哪？给我看一下。液压泵是哪？
这是液压泵。
OK。
这是主要的大件。
是主要的大件是这里的是吧？
重要的。
就是很重要是吧？So guys, we are checking inside. You see this one is the most important. So we check here also. Alright. Okay. 差不多了吧 ？OK， 行，可以了。OK，let's go。 Yeah.